My name is Kathy Heemer. I'm a family nurse practitioner here at Memorial Health Center Clinics Medford. I'm actually a Medford native, from here, grew up here. I went to high school here. I went on to school at University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire, and then I got my master's after that. I think that I always wanted to go into healthcare. I remember being very young, and we had to write a letter about what you wanted, a career. And I found that not too long ago, and it was how I wanted to be a nurse. And so it probably was in the back of my mind for a long time. Once I was a registered nurse for a while, I decided that I wanted to get into more of an expanded role. And I was actually the first, in the first class that went to University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire and graduated as a nurse practitioner. I chose Memorial Health Center because I have to say one of the reasons was because I grew up here, and I have an ownership in this institution and the care that we give. It's important to me that we have a strong healthcare facility in our area. We're a small town in a large rural area, and it's just, if we weren't here, people would have to drive a long ways to get healthcare, and I want that to be a quality experience for people. What I've learned through 20 years of experience in healthcare, people in general want to be healthier. They sometimes don't have the tools to know how to do it. They have an idea of where they want to be with their health, but not how to get there. And so one of the things I like to spend time with patients is setting out a plan of how they're going to get from point A to point B. What I'd like people to know about me is that I try to practice the things that I ask them to do. So, for example, this morning even though I didn't want to, got up and went to an exercise class at 5:30 this morning. It's no easier for me than it is for my patients. Outside of healthcare, I'm a mom. I have 3 children, Megan, Ethan, and Ben. We spend most of the fall months going to Badger football games. My son Ethan is number 87. And so this is another part of me that most people don't see. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn something about me, and I would look forward to learning something about you and maybe helping you find that one thing that you could change to move you closer towards the well person you'd like to be.